Okay, you guys, we are at another new construction site. I love that house over there. Can you guys see that house right there? I'm gonna make another video on that house because that house looks so beautiful, and I think it has like a suite upstairs. So if you guys want like have your parents live with you, maybe if you guys have older kids and you know your kids think about moving out, have them move upstairs and something like that. And these you can do like a custom build, but it's two separate ones. I'm gonna make two separate videos, so let's go through this property. If you want to look at the other ones, definitely come back, check the other ones. It's going to definitely be in the playlist. You guys can check it out. And again, this is perfect if you guys have kids, because you have that area over there where they can just go over there and play. So that's really amazing. They said they have about 94 homes still available, so that is really amazing too. So let's go ahead and check it out. This door is really pretty. Okay, this is really pretty, you guys, when you first come in. Very pretty. So like we have a bedroom right up front. Now, I talked to one of the agents here, and they said that you guys can customize this home here. You guys can do customizations with this home. And customizations mean, hey, I want different type of cabinets. I want different type of flooring. I want a different layout of the whole bathroom. That's what I mean by customizations. They do have some homes that's available right now. So it's going to take about 3 to 4 months for them. Well, I want to say available right now. That's going to be available soon. So it's going to be about 3 to 4 months. He said more on like the 3 months, but about 3 to 4 months for them to be available. You guys can definitely purchase those, but if you guys want to get something built, it's going to take them, he said, until September, so about 7 to 9 months for them to actually build your home for you. But you guys definitely have options. Ooh, I love this right here, you guys. It's like a ducked off office. Nice closet space. Yes, you can have your office right here. You can be doing the laundry. I always do the laundry, you guys, while I'm working. When I wake up at 4:30 in the morning and I do my work, I always like do my laundry like right away, first thing in the morning. Just be rotating the laundry because forget I got a lot of kids, so that's what I need to do. Let's see what this is here. Okay, so this is actually going to be the garage right here, and it's basically an office area right now. Here is a beautiful kitchen, dining room, living room. It's like everything is together, which I really, really love. It's like everything is together. It's an open concept, and then you can see it's like they have the outside area there, your porch there. I like that. Okay. And don't forget, you guys can customize what you see here too. You can customize it. You don't necessarily have to get what's actually like what you see here. You can customize it. A lot of space in your pantry, a lot of space. And your dishwasher is going to be right here in your island. Here's your sink. You can change out the faucet. And also, he said right now they have it where you guys can, like if you were getting something that's already going to be available, you can possibly have an interest rate at 4.85. Right now, our interest rates are at 6.3%. So they can actually help you drop it down to 4.85%, which is really good, you guys. That's one of the biggest reasons why people would not want to purchase right now, because of those interest rates. But you guys can definitely drop down that rate. If you guys are getting a customized house, like you guys are customizing and they have to build your home, they can't guarantee that rate for you, because you guys are most likely going to have to lock in your rate 60 days before you actually close on your home. I love that they have the door here, which you can close it off, especially if your man stinks or you stink when you go to the bathroom, you know, doing your number 2. You can close the door. And here is the closet, which is really nice. Okay, I really love this home. It's really, really nice. Double vanity. This is really, really nice. Okay, they have different lights here too, you guys, to control so much. So that is really nice also. Let's see what this back is looking like. Okay, this is really nice. That is the model I'm gonna go look at next. You can see they have all of those lots back there that they down there that they can actually build on, you guys. And this is basically what your yard is gonna look like. I didn't ask him about like a fence to see like exactly how much you guys can actually fence in, but I love this home, and I'm pretty sure you could probably put up some type of fencing here. So you guys will definitely have some options. But let's go ahead and do our final walkthrough. Look at everything maybe at a different angle now that I'm actually going to be leaving this home. And don't forget to, you guys, if you guys ever have any questions, I don't care if you're in a different state, I can find you a realtor in your state that I'm connected with. I can also find you a mortgage company that can help you get approved too. So definitely let me know if you're actually here in Florida. If you want to move to Florida, let me know. We have something called the Hometown Heroes that is giving out a $25,000 down payment assistance for those people that, you know, maybe you're a nurse, maybe you're a child care provider, maybe you work in law enforcement. It's a lot. Maybe you're a teacher, maybe you work in a school, certain roles within the schools, you can get that $25,000. So definitely let me know, because they allow you to, certain professions, they allow you to get that $25,000 when you move here too. So that's going to help with your down payment. And then too, not only is that helping with your down payment, like this builder here is giving out $8,000, I believe they said, in credit, I believe. But call me to double check to make sure that that is the correct amount. And this right here, if I didn't show you, this is where your furnace and stuff is going to be. Here's your laundry room. I love the cabinets up there. And then we have the 2 bedrooms over here. So yeah, call or text me anytime, you guys. 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to help you guys. I'll help you guys get approved. If you want to do a custom build here, I will help you guys do your find the best builder for you so you can do your custom build. And I look forward to seeing you guys later. Bye bye.